This is an Abus Model 234 45mm padlock. It's a lever lock. Here's the key. Give it an open. And you can see the locking mechanism that goes in through this hole to hold the lock in. Lock up. And this has at least 2 levers in it, and you need to lift both of them up simultaneously to get the shackle to move. There's no bolt in here per se to tension on, but you can just use the homemade tension tool to lift both levers. And what you have to do, you have to put pressure on the shackle with your finger here and lift one of the levers and hold it up. It will bind it if you have enough pressure. Just a matter of finding the lever. Now, it came up a little bit, so I've got one. So now it's a matter of getting the other. There we have it. Again, thanks Cherokee, and I'll talk to everybody later.